From extensions to gel, here are 5 beginner-friendly nail kits that will give you salon-worthy results. Polygel is a nail enhancement that is cured on top of your natural nail. You can sculpt it to any shape or length, and it's meant to last at least 2 weeks. The kit comes with everything you need: 6 colors of extension gels, a base coat, a top coat, dual forms, a nail brush and spatula, and a nail file. You do need to order an LED lamp separately, plus alcohol or slip solution. There are different application methods you can try, but we found it works best to apply the gel on a dual form, shape, then place onto your nail. Once cured, the plastic form easily pops off and you file it down to your desired style. Here are the finished nails and how they looked 2 weeks later. These Ohora semi-cured gel nail stickers harden like a gel manicure once they're cured. You can choose designs for a manicure and pedicure. After prepping, apply the sticker that best fits your nail shape by firmly pressing it down. Then cut off the excess and cure the nails under a UV lamp about 3 times. These are the nails immediately after and 11 days after. This kit by DipWell has everything you need to do a dip powder manicure at home. Once your nails are prepped, you add a coat of bonder and a base coat. Then quickly dip your nails into the dip powder at a 45-degree angle. Keep repeating the process for more coverage. Then you carefully apply the base coat, dip your nails into the base and finish powder, and apply the activator polish. You should buff any excess product away, wash your hands, and clean with an alcohol wipe before the last step. Finally, apply the applicator gel, followed by the sealer polish, which is going to make the polish look shiny. And here's how the finished manicure looks. Mini Macaron sells these gel mani kits that come with macaron-shaped LED lamps. The lamp can be plugged into any USB drive, making it a great on-the-go nail option. Just like salon gel nails, you apply a coat of polish, cure for 30 seconds, and repeat. The gel polish is meant to last 7 to 10 days. To remove the gel polish, soak your nails in the brand's polish remover pads. Then nourish with these sheet masks that are made for your fingertips. Kiara Sky sells these jelly tips which give you gel extensions at home. The kit comes with everything you need, including 500 gel tips in various shapes and sizes to fit any nail. After you buff, prep, and prime your nails, roughen the back of the extensions. Then apply builder gel, cure the nails for 30 seconds, and apply the tips onto your own nails. Cure the nails for another 40 seconds and buff away the top layer. Finish painting your nails the color of your choice. These are the nails immediately after and 3 weeks later.